Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 3-in-1 nightlight foldable wireless charger. So, like I have somewhere I have a phone, I have a watch, I have headphones, I have everything, So, this is going to give me the ability to charge them all simultaneously. How cool is that? Okay, so this is it here. It looks like it's going to fold somehow. Like this. There we go. Got a little stand. Like that. So there we go. So I have my watch, my phone, and my headphones. I'll bring you guys down a little bit here. Let's see if I can get you guys down here and watch it on here. Okay, so I'll put it right there. It's got a USB-C to USB cord. I actually have a USB-C that's powered right here. So I will plug that in. And there we go. We have light on it. And let me see, I have my headphones in here. I'm sure those need to be charged. So those I can put right there. I heard the ding. It is charging. I can put my phone. Oh, it's got a broken screen protector. Okay, that's already charged, I guess, on there. And this can go on here. Look at that. Now everything's charging. So I am golden. Look at that. Everything here gets to charge. So super cool. So nice little setup there. And I can push the button. Oops, push the button to change the lights and stuff. So very cool. I like this little setup. It's good. Thumbs up.